today we are out in the field covering some safety concerns that surround our children in schools. And one of the schools that has come up is Buteko Basic School. As we all know, Buteko Basic School is one of the best schools in Luanshya that has produced doctors, that has produced directors, nurses, and a lot more. People that we can look up to in society. But the hot issue is the spikes that have been put outside the school that limit our children from playing from the flower beds. Is it a good thing? Are those spikes safe for our children? So that's the main issue. We want to know from some people passing by, some Luanshya citizens, about how they think of the spikes that are there. Is it safe? Alright, so we are going to ask some questions to people who are passing by about the idea of putting spikes. Is it a safe thing? What do they think about this? Are their children safe in school? So that is the main question. We'll ask some people who are passing by. Yes sir, how are you?
Fine sir, how are you?
Very fine. Can you please tell us your name?
My name is Georgie.
Alright, I believe you're a Luanshya citizen.
Yeah, actually I stay nearby.
Alright. So we're having a hot issue over some spikes that have been put at Buteko School. I believe you know Buteko School. Buteko School. Right. So are they safe in this school? Can this thing be safe for our children?
Okay, that is safe to write. Just in case
So in short, this is a very, very serious safety concern.
Yes.
So what do you think the authorities in Luanshya should do about these spikes?
I think they have to do something. They have to tell the school admin to remove them.
All right. Thank you very much, sir. Alright, with the conclusion of Buteko Basic School spikes, we took time to ask some Luanshya residents about what they think. And we also took time to speak to the headmaster at Buteko School, and she gave some reasons why those spikes have been put. And we also gave the ideas over what we can do, other safety precautions. So we are yet to see anything else to happen soon, but there will be other things to be done. We've been promised there will be safety precautions put at Buteko Basic School.